Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video. And today I'm coming to you from the island of Nassau in the Bahamas. We have just docked and we are about ready to head on out to the island, and maybe I'll check out some watches while I'm here. Today I'm wearing the my Pagani Design Panda. Before I get started on this video, what I want to do is shout out to my current subscribers and say thank you guys all so much. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys, and I could not do this channel without you. If you are new to this channel, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing. Always does help out this channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And if you'd like to check out my website, that's at davethewatchman.com, where I showcase all of the watches that I do review here, and I post links for you to click on over and pick up those watches and wear them for yourselves. So without further ado, let's get into this watch. I'm wearing the Pagani Design Panda today. So these are some of the watches that I did bring to the Bahamas, aside from my Pagani Design Panda, which is the one I'm wearing today. Just to give you an idea of the watches that I brought for the weekend. I'll show you guys what I'm doing here. And I love this little SteelDive case that I did get with one of my SteelDive watches. It's really perfect for me to bring a few watches with me, and I love how it's got the foam and everything. So when you do buy the SteelDive watch, you will get one of these cases. I do have a few SteelDive watches, and here's the one I think that this case actually came in, which this is probably one of my favorite watches right here. This is the SteelDive 1956, I believe. Let me take a better look at that. It's got the NH35 movement in it. I believe this is the 1956. I will double check that before I actually post this video, but this is a very, very good quality watch. I believe the last time I was in Bimini, I did a video with this watch where I actually threw it into the surf and did a little bit of a video on that watch. But now I'm back in the Bahamas, and these are my watches for the weekend. I have my Invicta shark dial, hammerhead shark dial. It's actually upside down right now. Beautiful, beautiful watch. I love this thing. Let's see. What else do I have? I have another Invicta here. This is my Invicta Aviator style watch. Very nice watch also. And honestly, guys, this is probably one of my better watches that I get most. I get a ton of compliments on this watch, believe it or not. And this watch was very, very inexpensive. Very, very inexpensive. And I probably get more compliments on this watch than just about any other watch that I wear. This is supposed to look like a very, very high-end luxury brand, which I won't mention the name of, but it does have that wonderful luminescent blue on that dial. And this watch, I believe I picked this thing up for somewhere in the neighborhood of $10, believe it or not, which it seems crazy to have a $10 watch next to these other watches, which are, I believe, somewhere in the neighborhood of $150. Another one, I think I paid somewhere in the neighborhood of $80 for this one, and probably about $60 to $80 for that one also. And then I have this $10 watch. I have I think this was about 100 or 100. I can't remember what I paid for this. Honestly, guys, I have so many damn watches that I can't really remember the prices on all of them or what I paid for them. But this watch, I do know I did not pay a lot of money for. This is actually the second watch that I've purchased, because I sold the first one to one of my friends who actually saw me wearing it and liked it so much that he had to have it. So I actually sold it to him, and I bought this one. And now I've got two more friends that actually want this exact same watch. So I do have two more on order to actually sell them to a couple of friends of mine. I get so many compliments on this watch. It's actually by Liege. It says Bangwei on it, but it is marketed as a Liege watch. This watch, I do not have a specific link to it, but either way, these are the watches that I chose to accompany me on my weekend excursion to the Bahamas. And this is the Pagani Design chronograph PD1676, I believe. Let's take a good look at the back. Pagani Design, and this is PD1676. It looks like water resistant 100 meters, 300 feet of water resistance. This is, I believe, this was a Daytona edition, or what was the edition on this? It's got the it's got the engraved race car logo on the back of this watch with the beautifully designed milled clasp on this thing. Wonderful, satisfying click when you close this watch, and when you open it, it's very, very, very nice. Very good quality, nice and flush. When you look at the side profile, it's very, very smooth, very sleek. This is a very, very nice watch, especially for the money. I love the panda design on it. It's got that ring around the dial is more of like a burgundy brown color, and it obviously it does have the tachymeter. This is a quartz movement, and obviously very, very smooth with that quartz movement. Everything is beautiful on this watch. It's got a really nice weight to it. The links are very, very solid. When you hold it to the side, it really doesn't drop down at all. Very, very tight on this thing. This is a great buy for the money, believe it or not, guys. It's a little bit smaller than what I typically wear, but I think it really does look good on my wrist, especially if you're going to wear like a black shirt with you know, dark pants, jeans. Goes good with just about everything. It's a very neutral type of a color, but it does have that little bit of a burgundy red around the dial, which you can also wear if you're wearing like brown, or if you're wearing anything red or maroon. Very, very nice quality, nice polish to it. Very good watch. It's got the logo, the Pagani Design logo on the crown. It's got that Daytona Speedway look, which is really, really nice. Just a very nice looking watch all around. It even has the screw type pins to adjust it. Very, very nice watch. I will post a link to this in the description below, so you guys can head on over and pick this up and wear it for yourself. I love this watch. I've had it for about 6 or 7 months now, and I love it. I love it. I think it's a great watch. It's got sapphire crystal on this thing, and just a very, very nice quality bezel. I believe that's a ceramic bezel. I'm gonna have to take a look at that and confirm that, but I believe this does have the ceramic bezel with the sapphire crystal, and like I said before, it is a quartz movement. It's got perfect weight to it. Love the design of the clasp. That's probably my favorite thing about this watch, is the clasp, and the bracelet is very, very good quality. And I love how it's so smooth and flush. But very nice watch, guys, coming to you from Nassau, Bahamas. And once again, Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, as it always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And if you'd like to check out DaveTheWatchman.com, you can check out all the watches that I've reviewed here on the channel. And I do provide affiliate links, so you guys can head on over and pick those up and wear them for yourself. Those are affiliate links, so they do not cost you anything more to use them, but they do send a couple of dollars over to me, which is very, very, very much appreciated, especially if you want to wear these watches for yourself. I do try and find the best deals on these watches for you guys, and like I said, I'm all about budget friendly, so you won't see any of the higher end luxury brands on this channel. I typically review watches under $500, and in some cases even $100. In some cases even very, very much lower than $100. But nonetheless, I try and find the best deals on these watches for you guys, so you guys can pick up something that you're really going to enjoy. But Until next time, I am Dave the Watchman. Like I said, reviewing budget-friendly watches for the everyman. So if you do like that concept, please give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And I will see you guys all in the next watch review video. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys all have a great weekend, because I know I will here in the Bahamas. Thank you so much, and have a good day.